Wondering if the Inca Trail was worth adding to your trip to Peru? Let's answer some of your most frequently asked questions. Is the Inca Trail worth it? Absolutely. The Inca Trail is one of the most iconic treks in the world, combining adventure, culture, and natural beauty. Reaching Machu Picchu on foot makes the experience even more rewarding than arriving by train or bus. What's so special about the Inca Trail? It's not just a hike. Along the way you pass ancient Inca ruins, cloud forests, and breathtaking Andean scenery. Every day feels like stepping back in time, and the dramatic sun gate arrival into Machu Picchu is unforgettable. Is the Inca Trail worth it for beginners? Yes, if you're willing to prepare a little. With some basic fitness and the right pacing, beginners can easily complete the trek. Guides support you throughout, making it an achievable adventure for most travellers. So if you're looking for a history, challenge, and world-class scenery all in one journey, the Inca Trail is worth it. Read our full guide below for more expert tips.